If you want to use the interpreter during a call on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then once you are on a call, you should be able to find this call toolbox, which is accessible if you swipe towards the middle from the side, if you can find this bar up here. Now, once you open the call toolbox, you should be able to find the interpret option. Of course, we need to agree to the app. We need to grant some permissions so that the app can actually translate quite easily. Over here, we can also tap on the setting icon in the top left corner of the translation panel. And here we can choose your language, so the language that you are speaking. So, of course, we're going to choose English in this case. You can also mute yourself. You can also choose the language for the other person, so the language that the other person is speaking, or speaks actually. And there we go. You can also mute the other person as well, so you can only hear the translated content. And when you mute yourself, then the other person can only hear the translation. So they won't hear you, they will hear the translation only. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we can easily close this panel completely in the translation if needed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.